Communication 4.0 in reality. I wish all of you a very warm welcome to my presentation in these quiet special times. A big hand and thank you very much to the organizers, the people behind, to organizing this technical forum first time as a digital technical forum. Adaptation is key in business. In our company, this is also what I am standing for. As early as 2019, about a half year before anybody talked about COVID-19, we started in our engineering department at Sack Kiesselbach to bring an already working intensively topic forward with digital and virtual support for our new generation of machines. I will present you today solutions for augmented and assisted reality applications delivered with our hydraulic table metal automat, the TMA 350. The term virtual reality has been used in all industry for decades, but it is often generalized as a synonym for everything what has to do with smart glasses. However, there are a clear difference between the applications in reality, and not every type is used for every industry or usable for every industry. I will first give you an overview about the different virtual or augmented or assisted reality applications. Virtual reality what we showed in the World Money Fair 2020 on our booth, because we were not able to transfer the system to Berlin, and we used our engineering tool, the VR, the virtual reality, to show our TMA 350 to the public. You look into a closed display. That means you are not mixing the outer side with the digital world. We use it especially for the engineering period or for training courses, or before we go into manufacturing to allow the customer to be present in his product what is coming soon. Augmented reality is what we use to make the life of the maintenance staff for the operators easier in their daily life. The augmented reality applications looking for digital world coming into the reality. I get oft the question in the last year, is it a technology where we can use the HoloLens? Yes, it is. This is exactly where the HoloLens is built for. That is totally different to the third application, the assisted reality. There we are focusing more in the vision field of the operator. So assisted reality we use to have a look over the shoulder of the people on site over thousands of kilometers away. We started luckily before ahead and had our experience already made when we need to start it for pre-acceptance for training, and we had the solutions in 2020 ready to go, and that's what I want to share today with you, our benefits and also our headaches what we had with this system. What is needed to get a digital surrounding on the machines or to be Industry 4.0? And I show you this animation and give a little bit input to how we prepared the TMA 350 to be ready to go for the applications what we are talking about. We added a hotspot remote control. So this is an advanced modem device compared to the earlier ones. We are in combination or in cooperation with some software and hardware suppliers, and we focus on two ways. One is the connection to the press itself, and one is the connection to the operator or the staff on site with our support and software solutions to make their life easier and faster at all. A few words to the remote modem within the TMA. This unit can work independent from the company's network with a data SIM card. We have three different applications for the remote nowadays. We have the standard teleservice, and we have a little bit a higher version. We call it the hotspot remote, which is usable for LAN, Wi-Fi or data cards. The next step, or the next higher level, the step 3, we call Expert Eye, and that is what we saw on this chart. And today I will have a look with you into the assisted reality tool Expert Eye and our workflow management software Workflow Plus. At SNK we use the RealWear HTM1. This is such a model for a smart glass for the assistant reality application. And Expert Eye can also be used with other devices, with a tablet, with a mobile phone, whatever you prefer. Yeah? It's a web-based software. We want to look with a clear picture, with a high resolution picture to the operator's field. We have a voice control in it. We have a little screen here in front where we can give information to the worker, and we can make pictures from our service station to the camera. So for an assisted reality, our experience was the RealWear HTM1 is very useful and very operator friendly as well. Smart glasses allows a hands-free work, and we could see it's faster, it's more secure to work with the smart glasses as with the application, but it is possible for the quick understanding. We can send a short message to the user, but this is the safer and for us more efficient way. Here on my next slide, I give you a short introduction or a screen from the service laptop or the service computer at home in the service station. That's on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we have a screenshot, in this case from a mobile phone. We have a look into the TMA cabinet, backside of the machine. On that picture, you can see on the left-hand side on the service laptop, on the lower part, you have the function to take a picture. You can interact with a pointer. Here we have the zoom. The red pointer is the service guy, and the green pointer is the guy on site. So with clear interaction by pointing, by printing something on the picture, we can ensure that we get the right information to the staff on site, that not the wrong button would be pushed maybe. So also we can add screenshots. We can give technical drawings, e-plan, wiring diagram into the screen. On that slide, you get an image how it looks for the operator when he had the glasses on the head and what he see in the screen. So we get still the picture. We can still make photos. He get the information on the little screen, and he has the hands free to work with. So all overall, we can say with the combination what we brought and what we deliver at the moment, we are quite happy, and luckily we were before ahead. To get you a good idea how we work in the field in reality with the RealWear HTM1 on our TMA 350, we have prepared a short video file from the on-site application with our friends in Lisbon. They are getting their second TMA at the moment, and our friends in Leipziger Edelmetalle during the installation of their press last year, December. Beside the aspect of a proper teleservice or assisted reality maintenance, we are also looking strongly on an easy, operator-friendly human interface at the moment. Therefore, we have prepared our Workflow Plus management system with tutorials like we saw in the beginning, where I explained how we integrated technology or what technology is needed to integrate it to be digitalized. We have implemented this also to our technical handbooks and the Workflow Plus system. That means we are able to add information for training, for maintenance directly into the machine at any time. Workflows are stored on the machine, on the PC directly, and with an online connection, the workflows can also be transferred online and updated, or we can send customized workflows to the system also later on. We equip the press with simple QR code technology on certain places, and the worker takes simply their mobile device, the tablet, or the smart glasses. Let me show now on the Workflow Plus management system the application here on my tablet, and I go through an easy workflow. We change together our touchless hover gripper system on the transfer unit of the TMA 350. So we first start the application by scanning the QR code. When we have the information there, in this case changeover of the hover gripper, we start the job. The first question what we get, is there already a gripper installed or not? So we say, in our case, we say yes, there is one gripper is installed. The next picture shows us the situation where we are and how we go for the area forward to disconnect the plug, disconnect the air supply. We open the screws to get the suction head back. We take a new gripper, other denomination size, and we bring this gripper onto the transfer unit. We connect the plugs back, we fix the screws, we connect to the air pipe, and we go step by step through these workflows as long as we get the information job completed. As mentioned before, the Workflow Plus application works with the tablet, with the mobile phone, and for sure with the RealWear. With the RealWear, we scan the code with the integrated camera and we get the information on the display as you see here on the slide. And you go over the voice control just with simple commands. How to create the workflows on our own. We tested several devices, several softwares, and with the Workflow Plus we have the feeling for the moment that we have a simple and easy, for everybody usable device. We already started to implement this now directly in the engineering phase to get as much as possible input availability in the near future. Afterwards we will prepare our manual TMA handbooks according to the workflows. That is what we are rolling out now step by step. We have still to do our learning curve, but we have first very nice and good results and good feedback. We can upgrade at any time the workflows, and I think the most important and the most interesting thing for the future could be customized workflows when we can see we get some problems on the system or there is some headache from the operators, from the maintenance staff. We can even afterwards prepare these, bring it online to the system, and we have first-hand maintenance, operating training. Even when new staff arrive, you have a much quicker possibility without our support to get the people trained and right for the system. Yeah, thank you very much. I hope it was interesting to talking today about a little bit of the digitalization package what we started at Sack Kiesselbach at the moment. I'm excited to receive your questions in the Q&A session. Thank you once again to the organizers, to the World Money Fair, and I'm looking forward to the Q&A session. Thank you.